Here's 5 video editing tricks that you need to try today. Number 1 is expanding your video. So I have a video with 4:3 aspect ratio. We are going to AI expand. I'm gonna set the aspect ratio to landscape or 16:9. Now edit expand areas. You can change the scale and rotation so that AI is gonna fill this blank area. Click on generate. Now we white. Alright, now it's done. And we change the aspect ratio as the expand size, which is 16:9. Number 2 is turn your image to video. We go to AI Media and select AI Video. Upload your image. We enter a prompt to describe what's gonna happen in the result. You can even change the motion speed and camera control. Click on generate. Now we white. Let's take a look at this video. Number 3 is remove video background perfectly. We usually use auto removal, which it doesn't remove video background neatly. So we go to CapCut Online. You can access in the web browser like Google Chrome. And we are going to Magic Tools. Scroll down until you see remove background for videos. Just click on that and upload your video. And auto removal has been enabled automatically. Just wait until it's done. Now go to background, set it to green, and export this video. Now what you can do is key out the green screen with chroma key in CapCut. SenseLabs just sent me one of these Pen Display 16. I have been using this for a while, especially for creating video effects and digital art, and this is absolutely game-changing. So let's start with opening the box to see what's inside. We have thank you card, instruction sheets, and the tablet itself. We have stand and accessories like USB Type-C, pen case, wireless card remote, adapter box, and there's more accessories like driving gloves, power adapter, and all these cables. You can connect this device with just one USB Type-C cable if your computer can handle that. This tablet has a 16:9 ratio screen and OLED 4K. That is fantastic. I like the design of this tablet because it's super thin and it's just 1.21 kilograms. So yeah, I love it. It's really smooth when I'm drawing and there's no reflection or glare on the screen. I play around with it for a while. I can easily bring a lot more detail into it and have more control over your hands. It comes with 2 pens. One is like thicker, wider pen, and the other one thinner pen. And what I love about this is